perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for a musical game. And from here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much no dress code. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. If you did just miss it, we are up and running already.
Well, as box office names go, Peter, David Beckham is right up there.
Yeah, he gets the toast. Chance! Done ever so well.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Totti. And here's Torres. Koulibaly drives it forward. And he's searching through. He's had a shot! He's done it! Looking back at that, that's how you play.
Decisive, ruthlessly finished. I thought it was the strongest thing he played.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Good idea, just poorly executed. Forlan battles to win it back. And it's Forlan!
Iker Casillas somehow saves it.
And it's been taken short.
Has a hit.
Truly wonderful strike, decorated with dip and curl.
You know, Peter, from the moment it left his foot, it looked unstoppable. That was thumped.
So the lead now is 2. Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here. And here's Ronaldinho. Kagawa.
He gets past his man. Forlan offside.
Cafu hoists it forward. That's the through ball. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Triol drives it forward. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's got away.
Ronaldo conceives a free kick for that.
Steered forward. He's picked him out. He's found his man. Timely intervention. Davis in full tilt down the left. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Helps available out wide. Gets away from his Messi! It's bounced back off the post. He's pulled it! A fine save. The keeper really dug out his defence then.
A magnificent effort. Beckham
Plays it short. And it's Beckham. Triol gets it back. It's wrestled off the ball. Ball's loose. Who's getting there? And here's Forlan. And the shot! The assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Cafu. Totti. Ronaldinho. And here's Torres. Look at Torres! Really well taken goal.
Right on half-time. That is telling.
That'll be the last act of the first half. All 3 goals.
It's kind of a hard one to call these Maggie. From what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial. So it's going to be interesting to see
How do teams come out for the next period? Well, it's still anyone's game, as both sides have shown they have goals in them. As for the next one, should it arise, that may have a bigger bearing as to who emerges victorious. We're already into the second period. So, 45 minutes to turn it round. Cleared without complication. Triol gets into the right position to intercept. Here's another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves. Quality deserted them when it should have goal! And somehow he has kept that out.
Beckham, the opportunity to showcase his dead ball craft.
Played it short. Well positioned to make that interception. Kagawa.
And it's played forward.
Davis goes looking. Messi is alert to the possibilities. In the end, it's fruitless. That's clearly not what he wanted to do. It's Beckham. Just needed to be better than that. Oh, shooting chance!
well, he doesn't need a second invitation, even from that range.
Cafu. Messi. Ronaldinho.
Just brushed off the ball there. Puts it out.
Cafu. Messi.
It's an untidy challenge. Free kick given.
Has a hit!
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
And here's Torres. Foul and free kick in a very dangerous area.
And he has shown him a yellow card. Peter, the keeper knows that.
Even if his wall is perfect, it doesn't serve as any guarantee.
Messi! That's a fine save. was good, and that helped the keeper to judge the flight of the ball. He's doing it well. Fernando Torres, he's off on a marauding run. Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now. I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out. Chooses to go back. Messi wants to play it back. Beckham. And Beckham! Sticks it away!
And that should do it! Within sight of the finish line. Some of the opposing fans are clapping now. You just have to appreciate it. Well, the ball flight may be unpredictable, but the predictable part is the technique. It screamed goal all the way.
Two up and very little time left. Surely this is it.
Well, that's a really bitter blow. There has a goal! And they've been caught out here.
Oh, the ball's come loose. Oh, what a ball.